friends! On this video, I'm going to show you the stuff that I use for my streaming, and I will be having a giveaway, so stick around till the end to know more about it. Oops. There you go. Hi! So I'm going to show you the stuff that I used when I was starting out. First up is, of course, you can't stream without a computer. So when I started out, I have this. My Acer laptop. Ta-da! So this laptop is Aspire 7. This is running on i7 Intel Core and has a video card of 1050 Ti. So this laptop is pretty powerful enough to play games on and also stream, and yeah, this is still actually working and I'm still using it for editing my videos and photos and the stuff that I need. So yeah, first thing, laptop. And then I'm going to show you the next one. This is called a Soundcard. Good quality is a must when you're streaming. So when you're just starting out, I really recommend this V8 Soundcard. This is the old version. I think there's a newer one now, and this is like super cheap. I got this with the microphone. This comes with a microphone. It's good. And yeah, I got this in Lazada. I forgot, but I will put a link down below on where you can get it. So V8 and a microphone is what I've used when I was just starting out. And the coolest thing about this V8 is there's an effects on it. I remember last year when I was using this, because I'm not using this anymore, but when I was using this, my stream is so much fun because there's a lot of effects on it. Like I can press laughter when something's funny on the stream, or I will press this awkward button when something is awkward. I don't know. This is something fun. I really recommend this one too when you're just starting out. So this one, V8, a microphone, and a laptop, and make sure your laptop have a webcam, and that's it. That's the equipment you will need in streaming. And when you want to start streaming, make sure that your laptop have a webcam. But if you don't have a webcam, there's a lot of good quality webcams over the market. So yeah. So now I'm going to show you the stuff that I'm currently using. So let's start with my computer. I upgraded from laptop for I'm still using this for editing, but I bought a PC so my stream can handle more. So you can see that's the PC that I'm using. I just put it there. Actually, all the stuff I was cleaning earlier in the room, so I decided to, why not make a video of the stuff that I have before returning it to my room and the mini studio that we have in our room. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is this one. This is a Focusrite 3rd gen. So I got this last year, and this is my baby. I upgraded from V8 to this one, and it's really worth it. Every penny. I got this with the microphone. This is also Focusrite. So this is like a combo or one package deal. So it comes with a microphone, my audio quality went from this one to it makes everything better. I love Focusrite because I can plug in my microphone and I can also plug in my ukulele. So I've been using this since I forgot, but yeah, I got this last year. Also, save up for a studio monitors. JBL professional studio monitors, and it's super the quality of this thing is like it's super great. This is one of the best buys that I have. All of this came from Lazada, guys. So I'm going to put a link down below on where I bought all of this stuff. So the next one is I also bought this one. This is a headphones for my studio monitor. This is just a headphones, but a really good headphone. I've been wanting to have this headphones for a long time now. I've seen artists singing on stage wearing this kind of headphones. So ever since I've seen one of these, I always wanted one, and now I have it. It's so cool. I also have a link for this down below, and also I bought this one. I bought this headphones because the Focusrite, sorry, it's so messy, but yeah, this one came with the Scarlett Focusrite. So when I bought this, it comes with headphones, microphone, and I love using this. I've been using this ever since I got the Focusrite. I've been using this. It's really good headphones, but my problem is sometimes it will give you a headache because it's too tight sometimes. That's why I bought this, so my head won't get hurt whenever I'm streaming. So yeah, the next thing that I'm going to show to you guys is this Logitech webcam, and I think this is the newest addition to the family. This webcam, I actually wonder why all the webcams, the really good quality webcams, are so expensive. Like, I got this one for 6,000 pesos. Like, what? It's so expensive. I thought this thing worth like 3,000 plus or something like that. When I saw the receipt, it was 6,000, and I was like, ah. But anyway, I always wonder why all the webcams are expensive, yet they can make a camera for a cell phone that is really good quality, and the camera in your mobile phones are way more better quality than the webcam, than this webcam right here. Anyway, so yeah, what else? Of course, my ukulele. Drop it. Are you okay? So clumsy. Mochi. Hi, Mochi. Hello, everybody. I know. Your breath smells. So, this is my Arturia, and I really love this one. This is one of my favorite stuff that I bought in Lazada too. This came from Japan because there's no available in the Philippines. I mean, There's one, I found one available in Manila, I think. And their price for this stuff is way expensive. And luckily I found this one in Lazada. I will put the link down below, and I got it on sale. I'm so happy. I got it after 2 weeks of ordering, I think. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It was a little long, but I'm so happy with this one. I will be giving away one of these to help you get started on your streaming life, so you will have a good audio. Not this one. I'm going to get you a brand new one. So yeah, if you want to join the giveaway, just comment down below your favorite ice cream and subscribe to this channel. Mochi saying bye bye. Bye friends!